Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is Statistical and Special YouTube Insight. We are meeting in lesson number 14, which is about the difference between research question and hypothesis. By the end of this lesson, you shall be able to distinguish between hypothesis and research question. You should be able to demonstrate how to use hypothesis or research question or both. The difference between research questions and hypotheses are summarized as follows. Definition. A research question is defined as an open-ended question that guides the research process, whereas hypothesis is defined as a specific, testable statement that predicts the outcome of a study. Purpose. The purpose of research question is to explore, to discover, and answer a problem or phenomenon, whereas the purpose of hypothesis is to propose an explanation for a phenomenon that can be tested and either supported or refuted. Format. The format of a research question is in the form of a question, whereas hypotheses are always written as a declarative statement. The scope. The research question is broader and more exploratory, whereas hypothesis is narrower and more focused, making a specific prediction. Methodology. Commonly used in qualitative research, whereas hypotheses are typically used in quantitative research. Relationship. Research question guides the development of hypothesis, whereas hypothesis is a proposed answer to the research question. Research question or hypothesis or both. Research question can be used in the following situations. When you are exploring a topic and need to understand a phenomenon more deeply, then use research questions. If there is no enough information from previous or prior research to make a specific prediction, use research question. If you are conducting a qualitative study, use research question. Hypothesis is used when you want to make a specific testable prediction based on existing knowledge or theory. Hypothesis is used when you are conducting quantitative or experimental research. Hypothesis is used when you need to test a claim or a relationship between variables. Both research question and hypothesis can be used when you are conducting quantitative research that involves both exploration and testing, and also when you want to guide your quantitative study with both a broad inquiry and a specific prediction. Illustration. Research question. What are the effects of motivation on young child learning? This research question can be turned into hypothesis as follows. A motivated young child is more likely to perform better in the class compared to an unmotivated one. Both research questions and uh, hypothesis. Does a parent's level of education have a significant impact on their child's achievement in school? Hypothesis. Children of parents with higher level of education will demonstrate higher academic achievement in school compared to children of parents with lower level of education. Conclusion. Research questions are used when exploring a topic. Hypotheses are used when there are specific testable predictions to be made. Both research questions and hypotheses can be used in a quantitative study. The research question provides the initial inquiry, and the hypothesis provides a specific, testable answer to that question. Thank you and see you in the next video.